Students, a very good morning to you all and warm welcome to Environmental Science class. Before exam, we have seen the lesson day and night. We have completed up to the moon. Now, move on to page number 94, Phases of the Moon. Come, let us discuss. Does the moon look the same every day? Observe the moon in the sky every night from 15 days and find out what they have asked. The moon looks same every day. In night time, you see the moon means it looks same shape every day. No, it changes its shape from big to small and small to big every day, every 15 days once. Okay, that they have said here. Now look at down. The moon appears to change shape every night, and the night when we see it in its complete form, it is called the full moon. In Tamil, Paurnami. In a sky, we see a full form of moon means it is called Paurnami, full moon. On the night when we cannot see the moon at all, even when the sky is clear, it is called a new moon. In Tamil, Amavasai. In the sky, we can't, in the night time in the sky, we can't see a moon. Even a sky is very clear means that is new moon, Amavasai. Okay. For English word of Paurnami is full moon. Amavasai, new moon. Many festivals are celebrated based on the phases of moon. Some festivals are celebrated based on the phases of moon. Example, it Mahalaya Amavasai. Okay, Mahalaya Amavasai. Do you know Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon? Who stepped into a moon at first? Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the person who stepped for moon in first. Next, the stars. Now we see about stars. There are countless stars in the sky. We cannot count the stars. So there is countless stars in the sky. The sun is the nearest star. Sun is also one of the star, but for us, the sun is nearest star. The small stars appears behind the sun is very far to us. Very far to us. Next, the stars shine during the day too, but we can't see their light because the sun is much brighter than the other stars. What they have said. During daytime also, the stars are there, no, it will shine, but we can't see into our eyes. Why? What is the reason? The sun's light is more brighter than that stars, so we can't see. During night time we can see. Why? The moon's light is very dim. At that time we can see the stars light. This is the reason. Sun is much brighter than the other stars. We see that a group of stars appear to form a pattern in the sky. Have you seen any stars pattern? The stars and all form some patterns, some shapes of diagram like I have seen Scorpio like shapes and all. You have seen, students? Oh, you have seen. Very good. Now look at down. Do you know the position of patterns of stars helped people to know when to sow and harvest crops? They are so helped to people find directions during travel. The stars shape, no patterns and all is there, no patterns of stars helped people to sow and harvest crops, to plant a, to seed a plant and to crop it. The patterns of a star is more helped, and to find direction also it is used during travel. In olden days and all, there is no phones and no equipment to find a way and directions. Only by stars pattern and all keep only they travel from one place to one place during night. Next, match the following. Sun helps plants grow. Stars form patterns. Third one, moon does not have its own light. Shadow, a dark area that travels with me. Okay, students, you have to put a number and send us a homework to me. Next, look at page number 95. The rhythms of the day and night. Day and night follow each other in a rhythmic way. Most animals and plants are active during the day and slept at night. What they have said, uh, most of the plants and animals are active during the daytime and sleep at night. Human being also same likewise. But some plants close their leaves by evening. Example, some plants and all close their leaves by evening. They are example rain tree, Tungumunji Maram in Tamil. However, some animals are active at night, but some animals are very active at night. What are all they? The bat, owl, wild big cat, mouse, wolf, cockroach, and firefly are examples of animals that are active at night. These animals are very active at night time. Okay, the pictures are given below. See, bat. Next, second one, owl. Third, mouse. Next, wild cat. Next, fifth one, wolf. Next, cockroach. Next, firefly. Okay. Now, look at down. They are active at night to catch other animals wandering at night for their food. What? Why they are active at night? To catch animals, to eat them, as a food for them. Avoid animals that eat them during the day. Avoid the animals which and all attack them during the daytime. Avoid the heat of the day. Some animals doesn't like heat. It cannot tolerate the heat. That animals and all will be active at night time. They have big eyes. Owl, cat and all have very big eyes. A sharp sense of smell. Sharp sensing smell. Mouse and dog and all. Next, good hearing. Hearing capacities and all good. Example, bat. Do you know they have given in a pink color box? Look at down. Bat use sound waves to fly and hunt. Owls can see what is behind them by rotating their heads almost fully. What they have told, bats and all move by sound waves only and hunt their prey and eat it. Okay. Owls can rotate their eyes to back of them without rotating their body. By rotating only their heads, they can see what is happening at the back side. Okay, students. Now look at page number 96. Most flowers bloom in the morning. However, some flowers bloom at night. Most of the flowers bloom at morning only. But some flowers and all bloom at night time. What are all they? See, examples are jasmine, water lilies, tuberose, cactus flower, datura flower. Many of them have a lovely fragrance, very good smell they have. At night time blooming flowers and all have a very pleasant smell. Many are white in color. Most of the flowers are white in color. Though some have attractive colors. Attractive colors means like pink and all. See, look at down. First picture is jasmine. In Tamil, malligai. Second one, water lily. In Tamil, alli. Third one, tuberose. In Tamil, chambangi. Fourth one, cactus flower. In Tamil, chapati kalli. Next, datura. In Tamil, Omatampu. They have given us one information. See, the Bethlehem lily is called the queen of flowers that bloom at night. Okay. See, look it down. They have given us some activity. Identify and tick the animals that are active at night. We have seen Active animals, no. In last page, that and all, we have to find and tick it. Cow, no, it is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark on it. Next, cockroach. Cockroach is a active animal at night. It is correct. So you have to put a tick mark on it. Next, mouse. Mouse is a active animal at night. So you have to put a tick mark. Next, fourth one, bat. Bat is a active animal at night. So I have to put a tick mark on it. Next is owl. Owl is very active animal. Active bird at night. So you have to put a tick mark on it. Next, it is crow. It is not, it is a wrong one, so you have to put a cross mark on it. Next one is also wrong, so you have to put a cross mark on it. Next, move on to page number 97, directions. You have, now we have to say about directions. See the picture, observe and discuss. Front, back, right and left tell us where things are based on the reference point. Front, back and all, where we keep things, you look at back, look at front. Likewise we say this and all to the reference of a thing. North, south, east and west tell us where places and things are based on the positions of the sun. Directions and all, places of the things based on the position of sun. Okay, direction means position of sun, where are the things placed. They are called directions. Directions helps us teach a place without getting lost. If we know directions clearly means we will not lost our path while travel. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Where the sun rises, morning, in east side. Morning, the sun rising side is east. Listen carefully. Morning, sun rising side is east and setting. Evening time, the sun set, no, that side is west. Now stand facing on the sun in the morning. Morning time, you are facing the sun. That is east. Behind you is west. Yes, we know the sun setting place. To your right side is south. Your right side is south. To your left is north. They have given a direction. The sun rising side is east, setting side is west. To that, you are facing the sun in the morning side and your hand in right side means it is south. Then your hand in left side is north. Observe the picture given below. In center area, in the center is Meera. To her south are flower pots. South side is flower pot. Yes. Next, to her north are the rocks. Rocks there no. To her east is the flower cart and to her west is the tree trunk. Okay. Now we can clearly identify the directions. The sun rising side is east, setting side is west. By facing the sun at the morning time, our hand is right side means it is south. Our hand left side is north side. They have given us one activity. In your school, identify the eastern direction by finding out where the sun rises. Ask your teacher to help you. Then find the direction in which the followings are situated. Water tank, flag, post, playground, toilet, kitchen, gate and water tap. Tabulate your answers. What they have asked? In our school, Mother's Matriculation School, we have to write in which side water tank is there, flag is there, post is there, playground is there, toilet is there, kitchen is there and gate and water tap is there. You have to find and write in this following. Okay students, you have to write and send me as a homework. Next, page number 98. Evaluation. Label the pictures. Moon, earth, stars, sun. They have given in a bracket. First one is sun. Yes, you have to write. Second one, moon. Third one is stars. And fourth one is earth. Second Roman letter, write the animals of the names that are active at night. Already we have put a tick mark. Now we have to take and write. First one, cow. No. It is not active animal at night. Second, wolf. Yes, it is active animal. Next, it is not an active animal. Fourth one is firefly. It is active animal. Fifth, rabbit is not a active animal. So you have to no need to write. Next, sixth one, cockroach. It is a active animal. So you have to write. Next, monkey, no. Next, squirrel, no. Last one, rabbit. It is a active animal. You have to take and write. Okay, students. Next, third normal letter, write true. T if true and F if false. If the statement is correct means you have to write true. If a statement is wrong means you have to write false. You have to say, students, the sun gives us light and heat. Yes, the statement is true, so you have to write T. The shape of the moon changes every night. Yes, the statement is correct, so you have to write T, true. Groups of stars appear in many patterns. Yes, the statement is true, so you have to write T. The jasmine blooms during the day. No, it blooms during night time, evening time. Last, when you stand facing east, to your right is west. No, it is a wrong statement. To our right is south. To our behind only west. So the statement is wrong, so you have to write false. Okay, students. Now move on to page number 99. Observe the given pictures and fill in the blanks. They have, look at the picture first very clearly. See, the dash is in the south side of the garden. South side of the garden, what is that? Yeah, pond is there with the ducks. Next, the dash is in the north side of the garden. Rainbow is in the north side of the garden. Next, the dash are on the east side of the garden. Flowers are on the east side of the garden. Next, the dash is in to the west side of the garden. Dog. Okay, students, you have to write this in your book. Identify the flowers that bloom at night by putting a tick mark. First one is what? The name of the flower is Datura. It blooms at night. The Tamil name is Humatampu. It is night blooming flower. So you have to put a tick mark. Rose. It is wrong one. No need. Next, sunflower. It blooms at morning. So it is also wrong. Next, tuberose. In Tamil, Chemmangi. This is correct one. So you have to put a tick mark. It is night blooming flowers. Okay, students. Next, self-evaluation. I have observed the features of the day and night sky. Yes, we have observed. I can identify some animals and plants that are active at night. Yes, you can identify. Now we have seen. I can identify the direction. Yes, you can identify the directions. Very clear. Okay, students. Now, once again, I recap the directions alone. Okay, students. Morning sun rising side is east. Evening sun setting side is west. Morning time you are facing the sun. To your right is south. To your left is north. Okay, students. I hope you understand the lesson. We will meet on next class. Thank you, students.